Riwruok moro makedone ratiro mag aluora e gwenge Mongoro e kaunti ma Marsabit koro tiyo kod tuk adhula kaka yo mar lombo rowere e gwengego kendo chiwo negi puonj makare e wi yore mag rito aluora kaka yono mating'o malo kwan mar bunge mayudore kono kod rito lee mag bunge. E kaunti no ma Marsabit juma achiel mokalo mar tuk adhula ne okelo kanyakla timbe 19 ma bende nochiwo thuolo mar yango odiechieng' piny mangima mar rowere ka bende e kaunti no nigi atamalo 2.6 kende mag bunge. Kaluwore kod chal mar riwruok mar Nature and People for One kata NAPO, Dr. Elizabeth Pantoren ma en
And we also mark the Earth Day. Earth Day is going to be on Monday, and so we decided then we will mark the Earth Day by planting as many trees using youth as possible. Yeah, so for a team to join Napo Conservation Club, they must be able to plant as many trees as possible. We give them targets. So we give them targets of number of trees to be planted or regenerated. And so once they meet the target, that is when they qualify to play the game. And so that is an enticement.
We have a participatory forest management plan, which we are in process of completion, and we encourage the community we move together so that we can manage this forest. In this community forest management plan will give the community the privilege to access the resources which are in this forest, like water.
Youth are an elusive segment, so therefore we must look for smart way of identifying where are the youth. How do you mobilize the youth? I think the tournament to mobilize the youth. As we do that, we are planting and inculcating the right ideas.
Kambi Marukumba Madari.